How to improve recording quality in OBS Studio. So if you want to improve your recording quality in OBS Studio, and that if you're getting a very blurry recording, first of all, let's open up OBS Studio and click the settings icon from the bottom right of the screen. When we're here, you simply go to the option called output, and output for streaming. If there's showing quite blurry, you can select this audio encoder, video encoder, and rescale output is actually quite important. Here you want to select the resolution that only till your monitor supports. So if your monitor supports 4K, you can select 4K resolution. If your monitor supports only 720, you can select 720, 1080, and other options. If you scroll to the recording tab itself, here you can get some of the recording formats. So you can choose a .mov if you want to, but if .mov is getting quite blurry, you can choose MP4 or .mpeg4 and so on. You can choose some of the audio recording types as well. Now, if you go to the video option, you can choose your base canvas resolution and your output canvas resolution. Again, as I said, like the one on your monitor resolution, and then hit the OK button, and that should most likely help you solve the blurry recording issue. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.